Hello everyone, I am Suraj Baviskar. Welcome back to my channel Suraj Baviskar Trading. Thank you guys for giving good response to my earlier videos. If you have not seen those videos yet, kindly have a look at it. We have around 1300 subscribers joined in this mission. Today I am excited to talk about topic successful IPO listing factors and analyzing an initial public offering IPO. Join us as we deep dive into the world of initial public offerings, that is IPO, listed in NSE India. We are talking about definition of IPO, the pros and cons of investing in IPO, key steps in IPO process, successful IPO listing factors to consider while investing, and few examples of successful and unsuccessful IPO listing in NSE India. Definition of an initial public offering, that is IPO. An IPO is the process by which a privately held company offers shares of its stock to the public for the first time. It allows companies to raise capital by selling ownership stakes to investors. Pros and cons of investing in an IPO. Pros: potential for high returns, early access to promising companies, possibility of participating in a growth story. Cons: higher risk compared to investing in established companies, limited historical data, lockup periods for insiders. Key steps in an IPO process. First, preparation. Company prepares financial statements, complies with the regulatory requirements, and appoints an underwriter. 2. Due diligence. Underwriters investigate company's finances, operations, and prospects to determine the IPO price and valuation. Security and Exchange Commission review. The Security and Exchange Commission reviews the registration statement and issues comments that needs to be addressed by the company. Fourth, price and allocation. The offering price is set and shares are allocated to institutional and retail investors. Overview of the IPO market in India. Growing market. The Indian IPO market has seen significant growth in recent years, driven by a buoyant economy and investor interest. Performance. Indian IPOs has delivered strong returns on investment, outperforming the broader stock market indices. Regulatory framework. The Security and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, regulates the IPO process and ensures transparency and fairness. Case study of a successful IPO listed in India. 1. Company background. Introduce the company, its industry, and the key highlights of its growth trajectory. 2. Pre-IPO preparation. Describe the steps the company took to prepare for the IPO, including financial audits and regulatory compliances. 3. Marketing and investor roadshow. Highlights the strategies used by the company to create awareness and generate investor interest. 4. Listing and post-IPO performance. Discuss the listing process and how the company's stock performed after going public. Successful IPO listing factors. Financial performance and growth potential. Consistent profitability. Steady revenue growth and proven profitability demonstrate a company's ability to generate consistent returns for investors. Strong earnings forecast. Positive projections and a clear strategy for future growth can attract investors seeking long-term value. Innovative business model. A unique and disruptive business model can differentiate a company from its competitor and capture investor interest. Diversified revenue streams. A diversified revenue portfolio reduces risk and provides stability even in challenging market conditions. Successful IPO listing factors, market conditions, and investor sentiment. Market stability. A stable and growing economy with favorable market conditions can create a conducive environment for a successful IPO. Investor confidence. Positive investor sentiment and interest in the sector or industry can generate a strong demand for the IPO, driving its success. 3. Vibrant stock market. A thriving stock market with active trading and strong liquidity enhances the chances of successful IPO listing. Successful IPO listing factors: strong management team and corporate governance, experienced leadership. A seasoned and capable management team is crucial to execute the company's growth strategy and build investor confidence. Transparent governance. Effective corporate governance practices include transparent disclosure and compliance, foster trust and credibility. Diverse skill sets. A diverse leadership team brings varied experience and perspective, promoting innovation and mitigating the decision-making risk. Successful IPO listing factors: effective pre-IPO planning and preparation. 1. Rigorous due diligence. Conduct a thorough examination of financial, legal matters, and operations to uncover potential risks and address them proactively. 2. Strategic marketing. Creating a compelling narrative and marketing strategy that effectively communicates the company's value proposition to potential investors. 3. Timely IPO timetable. Identify the right timings for the IPO, considering market conditions and the company's growth trajectory to maximize investor interest. Successful IPO listing factors: quality of underwriting teams and advisors. Experienced underwriters. An underwriting team with a track record of successfully managing IPOs can instill confidence in the investor and supports the offering's success. Effective legal and financial advisors. Engaging experienced legal and financial advisors can ensure compliance with regulator and help optimize the IPO structure. Market research experts. Collaborating with the market research experts provide valuable insights into investor sentiment and allows for tailored marketing strategies. Successful IPO listing factors: proper valuation of the company. First, accurate financial analysis. Thoroughly analyze financial performance, growth prospects, and industry benchmarks to determine an appropriate valuation. 2. Market comparative analysis. Assess the valuation of the similar companies in the market to ensure the IPO price reflects the company's true value and competitive position. 3. Institutional investor feedback. Seek input from institutional investor to validate the valuation and ensure it's aligned with the market expectations. Successful IPO listing factors: compliance with regulatory requirements and disclosure standards. 1. Legal and compliance expertise. Engage legal professionals with expertise in IPO regulations to ensure full compliance and avoid any legal hurdles. 2. Transparent disclosure. Provide comprehensive and transparent disclosure of company information to build investor trust and foster long-term relationship. 3. Governance and audit framework. Implement robust governance and audit processes to safeguard the interest of shareholders and maintain regulatory compliance. Successful IPO listing examples: Zomato, an Indian food delivery and restaurant discovery platform, had a successful IPO in July 2021. The IPO was oversubscribed, indicating strong investor interest. Zomato's stock price performed well after listing. The company gained a significant market valuation. Second example is Nykaa, an e-commerce platform of beauty and wellness product, had a successful IPO in October 2021. The IPO received robust investor demand and was oversubscribed. Nykaa stock saw positive momentum post-listing, reflecting confidence in the company's business. Examples of unsuccessful IPO listing: Paytm, a digital payment and financial services company, had its IPO in November 2021. IPO faced challenges including concerns about valuation and company's path to profitability. The stock price experienced a decline after listing, and IPO did not meet the expected success. Sansera Engineering, An auto component manufacturer had its IPO in September 2021. The IPO was subscribed, but the stock witnessed a lackluster performance post-listing. Factors like market conditions and industry-specific challenges contributed to less favorable performance. Conclusion and key takeaways. An IPO can be a lucrative investment opportunity, but it requires thorough analysis and diligent decision making. Understanding the process, evaluating key factors, and learning from the successful case studies are essential for successful IPO investing. I believe in sharing knowledge, and that's why I'm here on Suraj Bhaviskar Trading. I want to empower you with knowledge, strategies, and lessons learned. Together, we can navigate the exciting world of stocks and financial success. If you are ready to unlock the doors to financial freedom, join me on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button, like this video if you found it valuable. Don't forget to leave comment below sharing your trading goals or any specific topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Visit our website link mentioned in description. Until next time, happy trading, take care.